हेलो डियर एस्पिरेंट्स, वेलकम टू डॉक्टर सौरभ क्लासेस। और आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं आईएसएस, दैट मीन्स इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल सर्विस का पेपर वन एग्जामिनेशन का रिसेंट पास्ट ईयर पेपर का सॉल्यूशन। अगर आपको हमारे तरफ से कोई क्लासेस की ज़रूरत है, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन की ज़रूरत है, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन सॉल्यूशन, मॉक टेस्ट, स्टडी मटेरियल, इस सभी का कोई भी चीज़ का कोई भी ज़रूरत है तो आप विदाउट हेजिटेट कॉल और व्हाट्सएप कर लीजिए इस वाले नंबर पे। Dr. Soros himself reply to your query through WhatsApp. ओके, तो आपको सभी को तो पता ही है, स्टैटिस्टिक्स रिलेटेड एग्जामिनेशन और कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन के लिए इंडिया में बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन है डॉक्टर सोरस क्लासेस। अगर आपको हमारे तरफ से कोई क्लासेस की ज़रूरत है आईएसएस रिलेटेड एग्जामिनेशन की प्रिपरेशन के लिए, तो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट टाइम, क्योंकि हम लोग इस समय इस कोर्स के ऊपर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। सो डोंट वेस्ट टाइम. So this is the best time to take admission in Dr. Saurav's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Saurav sir. So let's start with question number 19. Question number 19 में क्या बोला गया है? If covariance of 2xy 2x and y is 4 and variance of x by 4 is 1 and the variance of y by 9 equals to 7, so what is the value of 18r of xy whole square is equals to? So how can I find this? So we need to use the given information and their properties of the covariance and correlation. So finding the variance of x and variance of y. So variance of, first step, finding the variance of x and variance of y. So variance of x, so variance of x by 4, sorry, okay, so variance of x by 4, that means 1 by 16 variance of x, okay, and that is equals to 1, and variance of x equals to 16, and variance of 1 by y by 9, that means 1 by 81 variance of y equals to 7. That means variance of y equals to 81 into 7, that means 567. Okay, so finding the covariance, and next step, finding the covariance of xy, that means cov of 2xy equals to covariance of 2xy, that means 2 into covariance of xy, that means 2 into covariance of xy equals to 4. So what will be the value of covariance of xy is 2 and 4 will be cancelled out, so what will be the result? 2. Okay, so covariance of xy is 2. So finding the correlation coefficient r of xy, find the correlation coefficient r of xy. So r of xy means covariance of xy divided by square root under variance of x into variance of y. Okay, that means 2 by variance of x means 16 and variance of y means 567. 2 by 16 into 567. So that means r of xy 2 by root under 9072. Okay, so simplifying this to 9072, that means 16 into 567, that can be written as 4 root 567. Okay, and 2 and 4 will be cancelled out, that means 1 by 2 root 567. Okay, so calculating the value of 18r of xy whole square, 18r r of xy whole square, that means first we need to calculate only 18r of xy, that means 18 into 1 by 2 root 567. Okay, so 18 and 9, so the result is 9 by root under 567, and after squaring the term on both sides, 18r xy whole square equals to, there are also whole square, 9 by root under 567 whole square, that means 81 by 567. So 81 and 567 will be cancelled out, and the 7 is the result, and numerator part will be 1. So what is the correct answer here? 1 by 7. So the value of correlation coefficient 18r of xy whole square is 1 by 7. So what will be the correct answer here? Correct answer here is option number B. Okay, that's all for today. आज के लिए इतना ही, फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.